Hey guys, Andrea Cox here, here to do a really quick detox recipe. I'm gonna get right into the video. Those of you who are joining me on Facebook, hello, let me grab my phone. I'm also on YouTube, gonna upload this actually to YouTube. Let's see who we have on here. Those of you tuning in from YouTube, it's Andrea Lee, L-E-I-G-H, Cox, C-O-X on Facebook. I do a live Tasty Tuesdays recipe every Tuesday evening. We have got severe winds here, and I am running a detox retreat at the resort by my house. So this soup is actually going over there. I make this soup in batches. This is kind of a rendition of Natalia Rose's raw sweet potato soup, only I add a few things in it myself. I really like her recipes. So let's say hello. Hello, Joe Navarez. I hope you and your son are well. If you guys can do me a favor, because it's real windy here, if you can see me and hear me clearly, if you can hit the thumbs up button on this video, or the heart or whatever is, if you could like the video, that just lets me know that you can see me and hear me clearly. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the raw sweet potato soup. Again, want to give credit where credit's due. I really love Natalia Rose's. This is her original recipe, but I'm adding some things to it myself because I like it a little bit switched. I've got 32 ounces of carrot juice here. Got one of my like canning jars with the word taped on it. I'm going to be using 6 medjool dates, pitted, a raw sweet potato, raw, not cooked, half of an avocado, a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. I'm also going to add some ginger and some slippery elm in there because the group that I have, they're doing straight celery juice until dinner, and then they're having usually a warming soup, but this is a raw vegan soup. I really want them to feel the full effects, and I like adding a little slippery elm and ginger. The ginger adds a nice warming kick to it since it's kind of cold here, and the slippery elm is really good to keep things moving in the colon. Thanks, you guys. Tell me where you're tuning in from in the comments. I love to see where you guys are tuning in from, the different countries, the different states, the different cities and towns. So just tell me if you can write where you're tuning in from in the comments. Hit the like button. And let's see here. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I've got a Vitamix, and I really love the Vitamix. I love to blend things in the Vitamix because it's like mowing the lawn. It is so strong. When you use a Vitamix, let me make sure we got the sound here. When you use the Vitamix, you can blend things like raw sweet potato with absolutely no problem. So I really, really love the Vitamix. I'm going to start with the liquid first. I'm going to do 32 ounces of carrot juice. I'm going to take these dates and I'm going to pit them. Don't want to put the pit in the Vitamix, and there's no use for the pits and the dates. I do save the avocado pit, however, and blend it into a pulp. The pulp will turn orange in color in the fridge after a day, and you can toss it into things like smoothies. It's really good. It just really cleans out the digestive system. Oh God, I'm so hungry. I've been running around. Those of you who don't know, I started a second YouTube channel. We're up to 15,000 subscribers. It's called The Detox Intuitive. And I still have Andrea Cox TV, the Health and Detox channel. So go subscribe to both of those and hit the little bell notification button. But was shooting a video for that and went over and worked with my client Rosemary, and now I'm going to drop them off food. Okay, so I'm going to put a little pumpkin pie spice in, about half a teaspoon. Smells delicious. This soup really tastes like Christmas to me. Got a little too much in there, and that is not okay. Okay, we are not going to panic. We're going to get a spoon and we're going to get this out. I always talk about not measuring, and then I go and do something like this. Whoa, they would taste like Christmas if they had that much. For sure, for sure. Okay, we're going to get that out. All right. I'm going to put just a pinch of slippery elm in. Just a pinch, and there's ginger in that as well. I'm going to cut up this raw sweet potato, leaving the skin on. Because God made it with the skin for a reason. That's how I feel. This is a really thick, delicious soup. It's full of enzymes. I love drinking this on the holidays. I love to sip on it when I'm running around about an hour before a meal. I love to take this to the gym with me and have it after a workout because it's got a lot of carbs in it. And you know, I'm a carbivore because carbs do not make us gain weight. Hello, I've been eating a high carb diet for 17 years. Yeah. Okay, let's put this in here. We're good to go, we're good to go, we're good to go. And this soup is full of enzymes, so I absolutely love that. Okay. I'm going to do half of an avocado. Like I said, I'm going to save the pit and blend the pit. Perfect. Perfect. Just put the pit over there like so. So those of you who are interested in the retreats, you can go to AndreaCox.com and click on Work With Me and then click on Retreats, and you can see the upcoming dates. People usually lose about 10 pounds. Men lose a little bit more, up to 15 in 5 days, because you are juicing, you are having a raw soup or a cooked soup at dinner. And then the last 2 days, we do a lot of fun stuff like a guided supermarket tour up at Jimbo's, and we have a class every night. We've got Aaliyah teaching yoga this week, and she's just an absolute doll. So yeah, it's a super healthy, fun time, and I break your fast 2 days before you leave, give you food to take on the plane home. Okay. Let's blend this baby up. I don't know if I can do the happy dance. I used to do the happy dance all the time. Did I quit doing the happy dance? I'm going to do the happy dance. I'm doing the happy dance because I'm happy that I'm not going to get caught in this rain. That's right. I am happy. Okay. And it's done, and that's it, and that's all we have to do right there. It's that easy to make a raw vegan soup. It's that simple, and it doesn't take a lot of time, doesn't take a lot of energy. I actually juiced the carrot juice this morning, so it's simple, easy, and easy if you break it up that way. Now I have to make 2 more batches, but you don't, right? So it's, you know, this would actually feed me before dinner. I would do this amount, but they're on a restricted caloric intake for the week, so they're going to do a little bit less. I am so grateful that you guys joined me here today. Thank you so much. Toss in the slippery elm and ginger just for a little kick and a little movement, and I think you'll really, really like it. I'm Andrea Cox. Hey, let's connect. Raw Chef Andrea on Instagram, Andrea Lee Cox on Facebook, and my 2 YouTube channels are Andrea Cox TV and The Detox Intuitive. Sorry, something Bell or something. I don't know, something. Who knows? And try this soup. Gonna pour it in canning jars to take over there, and it's thick and delicious. So good. This is so good, you guys. Incredible. Okay, you guys, have a beautiful night, and sign up for my newsletter at AndreaCox.com. You can get great recipes like this. Check out the blog. I just put up 3 ingredient brownies. They're raw, they're vegan, they're no bake. They take 5 minutes. I've also made them here as well. So thanks so much, you guys. Be well. Bye. And feel free to share the video. Bye. Mm-hmm.